In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts in Zoho CRM using the up-to-date guidelines for 2025. Whether you're new to Zoho CRM or simply looking to refresh your skills, this detailed walkthrough will ensure you're up to speed with the most efficient way to manage your contacts. Let's get started by navigating to the Zoho CRM homepage. Make sure you're logged into your Zoho account, and from there, the process is quite straightforward. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice there's a series of modules at the top or side of your screen, depending on your settings and preferences. These modules are your main tools within Zoho CRM, each one designed to streamline a different part of your customer relationship process. The next step is to locate the module tab. You'll see multiple options here such as leads, contacts, accounts, deals, and more. For today's task, we'll focus on the contacts module. Go ahead and click on contacts. This will bring up the main page where all your existing contacts are displayed and managed. Moving on, you'll want to look for the Create Contact option. It's typically located prominently within the contacts module, often accompanied by a plus icon or a similar indicator of creation or addition. Clicking on Create Contact will open a new form where you can input all the necessary details for your new contact. Now it's time to fill in the contact information. This step is critical as it allows you to log all pertinent details about the individual or entity you're adding. Typical fields include first and last name, email address, phone number, company name, and any other specific fields that might be relevant to your business needs. Make sure to double check the details as accuracy here will ensure effective communication and data management further down the line. Finally, take a moment to review all the information you've entered. Once you're satisfied that everything is correct and complete, simply click on the Save button, usually found at the bottom of the form. This will securely store the new contact information in your Zoho CRM database. And that's it. You've successfully added a new contact to Zoho CRM. This simple yet powerful process helps keep your contact management efficient and up to date, ensuring that all your customer interactions are supported by accurate and complete data. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any more questions about using Zoho CRM.